Mr. Chaudhary, we could not agree with you. Your petition is dismissed.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, Your Lordship be pleased to small accommodation in respect of item number 2.
What kind of small accommodation?
Next Tuesday. Being
Next Tuesday? Yes. Why? What is the difficulty today?
my lord, could not prepare because of some medical urgency in the
Okay.
home.
Okay. On a request made by Sri J. Abedin, learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 16th.
Yes, ma'am.
16th.
16th or 18th, my lord.
16th.
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 With Your Lordship's permission, may I have a look in the
Yes.
LCR?
Yes.
Deeply.
I think 3 months. Taken Monday, my lord.
Monday, why?
Today, my lord, I have some.
What
I will leave
difficulty?
the court, my lord.
Huh?
I will leave the court, my lord.
You leave the court.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. On a request made by Sri S. Islam,
Yes.
learned counsel for the petitioner, matter is adjourned to be listed on 15/6.
Monday.
15/6.
Right.
Kita mati man. Ini bagus kita.
Mr. Hassan, Mr. Lokor, Hassan, we have already done almost.
Perhaps Navavilin, this will be taken up first.
Oh, we indicated that we'll take up these matters today. Where is Mr. Lokor? Yeah, I don't know. No. Item 1.
Yeah, please. So this is a contested matter and the impugn order is at page 65. But before going to the impugn order, Lordship, there was an order passed by this court on 7/6/2019. Where Lordship was giving an observation that the copy of the opinion enclosed herewith has no signature of the landed member. So this, whether the same has been clarified.
We'll have the look at the records.
Note con life, note chamber taking. No, notebook. It take a. No, notebook. He can say. Kali logo. What covers can look.
Noted, notebook. Records. Records. Just have a look at the records. Signature at the level they hit it. Opinion, please. Record to server.
It is signed, Lordship. The opinion is signed.
Motor time.
Let me find your copy.
Yes, what is there?
It is signed, Lordship.
Fine.
Oh,
The copy
That's
that we have,
certified copy, certified copy.
there was observation made by the court. In this case, your lordship, the petitioner has submitted many documents, including the evidence of his own father and also one of his neighbor.
Just a minute, please. Gyasuddin,
Ghiyasuddin.
Mohammed Gyasuddin.
Mohammed Ghiyasuddin.
Hmm.
The impugned opinion is at which page?
Page 65 to 80.
65.
Yes.
What is your date of birth, year of birth?
DW1, your lordship, at page 27. It has been stated his present age is 40 years. As of today, he is 56 years.
So what would,
46
what would be his year of birth?
year as of 46, 19,
Hmm?
76, 1978, 79.
1979. How many DWs? 3 DWs.
Lordship?
3 DWs.
Yes, 3 DW.
Who are they?
One is he himself. Second is his own father.
Own
Third is
father. Own father means what? His father.
his father, yeah. Sure.
What is his own father?
It has been.
There cannot be somebody else's
The
father.
opinion has been reflected as the projected father, your lordship. That
His
is-
father. DW to father. And
And 3 is a neighbor of his own house.
neighbor. Okay. Yes, what are the documents?
The documents of lordship says at page 42 is a 1966 voter list.
42.
42. Where the name of his father, Abdul Latif, has been reflected therein,
1966.
1966.
A Latif.
A Latif.
A.
It's written as Abdul Latif A or
No. It's O. You come to the vernacular.
yes, lordship. It says as Abdul only.
No, you cannot read. You cannot. It may mean Abdul, but whatever is written, we'll go by that.
Alright.
This will not cause any prejudice to you. Rest
Yes.
assured. Father, Abdul
Yes.
Latif is your father.
His father, your lordship, Abdul
Okay.
Latif. And Musaid, son of Musaid, is his grandfather.
And who are this Aforun Nessa?
This is the wife of Latif, that is his mother.
You're not very confident of your mother. Why? Aforun is his wife.
Wife of Latif is his
We are
mother.
not concerned with Latif. We are concerned with Gyasuddin.
Yes.
So he's the mother of
His
Gyasuddin.
mother.
Something is there, it means. Afrun. Nessa. Mother,
Yes, sir.
28. Then who is this? Abdul,
His uncle, his brother of Latif.
what is it? Abdul Sattar.
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 70. 70.
He is Sattar. 26 uncle. Okay.
No, thereafter, he submitted document of 1970 at page 44. Yes, sir, 44.
Same.
Particular 45. Same,
45. 1970.
1970. Thereafter, 1985 document.
Mother's name is different here.
Ashok
Mother's name is different here.
Akukon.
Kupon, this is a spelling.
Afrun and Akukon. And then your grandfather also changes. Samide. It was Musaid.
Yes, Ashok, that's the, it should be Musaid. It's written as Samite.
Samide.
Yes. But the house number remains the same, you know, so the village remains the same, house number remains the same.
Akukon. A. And A. is the son of Musaid.
Hmm.
Son of Musaid, yes.
Okay, thereafter.
Thereafter, 1985, voter list at page 47.
Yes, young lady, have a seat. Don't stand like this. Sit. There are seats vacant. 47.
47 is the particular of 1985.
Who are there? Abdul Latif.
Abdul Latif, his father. Afsur Nessa. This is his mother, it's written as Afsur.
60. 80, 60. Mother becomes what?
Afsur Nessa.
This is absurd.
Or Angur. Iba. Angur mein sana.
What is this, Mr. Sharma? Page 47. Second name? Angur. Angur.
Angur.
Not absurd. Angur. Angur Nessa.
That is why he said wife of Latif. Ever Angur, ever Afufur,
Not very sure. Atasur. Atasur is Atasur?
son of Latif.
Atasur. Atasur is the brother of the
Petitioner.
petitioner.
Atasur Rahman. Brother. Then Motibur.
Motibur is also his brother.
Nurjahan.
Nurjahan, Lordship. Wife of one of his brother.
Nurjahan Bibi.
Nurjahan Bibi.
Wife of Asbur. Who is Asbur?
Asbur, Lordship.
And Alimun.
Alimun is the sister of the petitioner.
The okay.
Then 1989 document, your lordship, at particular at page 49.
Yes.
Abdul Latif again, your lordship, his father. Ataur Rahman, his brother. Motiur Rahman, brother. Then Afrun Anguru, this is mother.
Ataur Rahman. Atasur, maybe Atasur. Ataur is your brother.
Yes, sir.
30 years. Motiur also brother.
Yes.
Nurjahan is the wife of Atau. Ajbur is, I don't know. And Afurun Nessa
Afrun is again.
is actually your
mother's
mother, but here it is shown as dot Sami.
Swami.
Okay, Sami. Mhm.
And
No, this is Angurun.
correct it is.
Angurun.
Angurun ne Afurun or Angurun.
Angurun. Mother. Nur Jahan. Begum. Ataur. Sister-in-law.
Mm.
Dilara. Who is Dilara? Motiur's wife.
Motive's wife.
Sister-in-law. 25. And Sureza?
Ureza is the daughter, is a sister. Sister of the petitioner.
Eighteen. Sure. Okay.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, at page 51, 1997 voter list.
Your father died.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Thereafter, Your Lordship, at page 53.
Here, mother's age got reduced.
Yes, Lordship, that.
But where is your name?
My Lordship,
You are 79 born.
yes, Lordship. Yes.
97, he should have been there. Where is your name for, which is the voters list where your name is there?
Lordship, at page 57.
No, let us go serially till now.
Yes.
97, till
90.
97 you're not. 2005 your name is not there.
2005, Your Lordship, my name has not appeared here.
Why? 2005. Voter list. Ataur, Nur Jahan. Yes.
2011, page 55.
55. Not there.
In 2011, my name is not there, Lordship. Lordship, one correction to be made here, Lordship. The Giyasuddin father name is Ataur Rahman, and Ataur Rahman's father name is Abdul Latif.
You are not the son of Abdul.
I am the son of Ataur Rahman. Abdul Latif is the grandfather.
Oh, you said father.
Father, you said all along, you said
Yes,
father.
Lordship. It's a grandfather.
Mhm.
Ataur Rahman is the father.
Are you sure? Make
Yes,
your
yes,
submissions
Lordship.
clearly.
Yes, Lordship.
All along you have been saying father, father,
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
grandfather. Then Afarun or Angur is your grandmother.
Grandmother.
Sattar would be your granduncle.
Yes.
Who is your father?
Ataur Rahman.
Ataur or Atasur? This Atasur and Ataur are same.
Yes, Lordship.
85, it was Atasur.
Yes, Lordship. That is the Ataur Rahman, and Ataur Rahman is the son of Abdul Latif.
Father, uncle, aunt, grandfather, father, Moti or uncle, aunt, oh, the grandmother.
Grand uncle বলে কয় নাকি?
Granduncle?
কয় no?
So in 2011, there is a twist in the 2011, Ataur is your father.
Yes, Lordship. Grandmother. No, uncle. Uncle.
But your name is not there in 2011.
2011 doesn't exist. In 2013, Your Lordship, his name appeared.
Yasuddin,
Giyasuddin.
alone.
Alone, Your Lordship. Here, Giyasuddin name appeared. His village name, Dokhin Devasthan, all remains the same.
It's 24 years.
Yes,
In
they will roam
2013.
around for their work, Your Lordship. That is the reason why they do not enroll themselves.
This date of birth would again change it to be 1989.
Where are the other members of the family?
Lordship, in 2017, again, the name of the father and,
No, in 2013.
yes, Lordship.
Where are the other family members?
Voter list does not reflect the other members, Your Lordship. It has been given only by his name.
You could have extracted voters list of 2013 containing the names of the other family members, which you have not done.
They have applied for the certified copy, Your Lordship, and this has been provided with to them.
Where is the application for certified copy? Can you demonstrate that you had applied for a certified copy containing the names of all the family members? Not
For-
there.
For that, Your Lordship. we will be given-
2017, what is 17? This
17 is
50,
the voter list of
59.
2017. 59.
Your mother, father.
2017.
Yes, Lordship.
Ataur and Nur Jahan.
Ataur and Nur Jahan.
house number changed quite
Yes.
drastically.
The house number, that is the village house number changes, your lordship, there in
But it
every
was,
now and then, your lordship.
I think it was same or not same.
Now, where is your name in 2017?
2017, his name did not reflect, your lordship.
D,
Because in the meantime, case.
D.
Yes, lordship.
So the only link,
There is one document in the voter list in the name of the petitioner along with his father, your.
not along with his father.
Is Ataur Rahman is his father?
No, not along with. It's not along. If you use the expression along with, both the names have
He's
to
the
be
son of-
there.
his
It's the
son.
son of so and so. So how do you link yourself? Which document? Is there any other document?
Yes, lordship, there is a Gauhati certificate at page
Who has proved the Gauhati
60.
certificate? Please?
60.
Who has proved it? Nobody has proved it.
No, the Gauhati has not.
Gauhati did not come.
Yes, lordship. In original, the same has been submitted before the court.
Pre-10. What is the date of this?
It's
3-10-13.
3/10/2013.
13 is it? 13, Mr. Sharma? Page 61. Is it 3-10-13?
একটু এনেকেই লিখেছো।
Page
হুম,
61.
পত্র ফাইজউদ্দিন গাঁওবুড়া মোবাইল বরবালি দক্ষিণ। Please read this certificate.
ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা প্ৰমাণ দিয়া হয় যে গিয়াসউদ্দিন পিতা আতাউৰ ৰহমান গাঁও দক্ষিণ শিৱস্থান
there is something
থানা
before the name Gia.
কোকৰাঝাৰ
এইটো কি হয়? মোহাম্মদ?
মৌজা কপাবাৰী জিলা নগাঁও আছাম ওপৰত উল্লেখিত নামৰ উক্তজন উল্লেখিত ঠিকনাত বসবাস কৰি আছে, তেওঁক মই ভালদৰে চিনি পাওঁ, গতিকে
গতিকে
তেওঁ
তেওঁৰ উজ্জ্বল ভৱিষ্যত
উজ্জ্বল
কামনা কৰি এই প্ৰমাণ পত্ৰ দিয়া
হ'ল।
হ'ল। Not proved.
This has been not proved by the Gauhati.
Hmm. Anything else?
Yes, lordship.
School
School
certificate.
transfer certificate at page 63.
Date
Date
30/12/2007.
2007.
Mohammad Giyasuddin. Left.
His date of birth is
78.
1978.
30. কিतना মই এটা জজমেন্ট স্কুল সার্টিফিকেটত প্রমাণ করি আমি কিন্তু প্রমাণ করলে সেই ডেটত কি সেই স্কুলখন জইন কৰিছে আৰু সার্টিফিকেট লিখিছে এই ডেটত সেই স্কুলখন এৰিছে।
এইখনতো এৰিছে।
এইখনত এৰা বুলি কয় নহয়। And head person. So not proved.
Not proved. lordship.
Date of birth is there.
Date of birth is
12/5. So you have a document saying reflecting your date of birth.
Yes, sir.
12/5/1978.
12/5/1978.
1978. Hmm.
Thereafter, voter ID card has been,
No, no, epic will not have any meaning.
yes. And a sale deed at page 64. Same was being provided in original in the tribunal.
Sale deed of whom?
Sale deed, it is between the Abdul Latif grandfather, who is the purchaser.
You have annexed two sale deeds or what?
There is this.
What is the second page? 64B? Dindal and Narendra Kanoi are not connected with you.
Wrongly being 11 years also. Wrongly being attached.
My grandfather.
Yes, Lord.
But this is not established. So far as grandfather is concerned, there is no question regarding grandfather citizenship. So we need to see a document which links you.
My 2013 document links with my father and the other document links with my grandfather, Your Worship.
Certain
And
document does not link with your father.
And the Gauhati certificate along with the transfer certificate, school transfer certificate. These are the vital documents that can be proved, but Lordship, due to some ignorance of, or they could not prove by calling up the witnesses. Whereas this is a very good case to prove, establish that he is a citizen of India.
98. See, these are all your certificates. All your certificates will have to be considered wholly.
Yes,
Your own certificate says that your date of birth is 12/5/1978. You're depending on it. So you attain the age of voting in the year 1998.
yes, sir.
And in 98, in 89 itself, the age of voting was made 18 years
Yes.
by the 61st Amendment. So 98, you should have voted. There is not a single voters list. From one voter list suddenly crops up, and that to a lone voters list of 2013, and you are shown to be 24 years. This is not matching. If at all we regard this to be a voters list, and leaving aside the age, this voter list will not be a connection. There is not a common voters list.
If your Lordship can give us an opportunity to bring into record the 2013 voter list along with his family members.
Opportunity was given to you before the tribunal.
But the tribunal did not take into this discrepancy, Your Lordship.
These are discrepancies on the face of it. You are aggrieved by an opinion. You
But
have to prima facie show that there are documents in spite of which the tribunal had acted in this manner.
Tribunal has.
There only maybe certiorari jurisdiction.
Yes, Lord.
It has to be perverse. It has to be most unreasonable. It has to be an opinion which cannot be given by a reasonable person, or irrelevant factors taken into consideration. These are the parameters.
While passing the opinion, the learned member has only discrepancy made in regards to the age of the members and also how.
You show before us this document is there which would prove my case. Which is the document?
No, Lordship, the only voter list in the name of the petitioner is 2013.
That
And
not
then
help you.
that
That
is-
itself is inconsistent on all counts.
Yes, Lord.
Lone voters is number one. Age is not matching with your date of birth in the school certificate. And most importantly, why there is no voters list of the petitioner when he had attained 18 years of age?
Because he was roaming around for his work, Your Lordship, that at that particular time he could not.
Where have you stated? In the written
that,
statement.
that the
Yeah.
WFE has not stated.
This
in
will
regards
not
to
help.
this, Your Lord.
This will not help. We have found cases that he had gone for work in such and such place, not stated in pleadings.
This is ignorance of law, Your Lordship. They do not know what to write in the WS, Your Lordship. It is made by the advocate, and for the mistake of the advocates, they have to suffer. Your
Where is your WS?
Lordship. WS at page 22.
22. WS filed when?
WS, Your Lordship, it was filed in April 2018. Where is the information?
You filed a WS in 2018, April,
Yes.
and you say that you are not aware of the law. What has to be there in the WS has been specified by the parent case, we'll say parent case, Sarvanda Sonal. What are the particulars which are to be incorporated?
The opinion was passed in the year 2019 and we have filed this case long back, Your Lordship. And
No, this WS was filed in 2018.
18.
Law has been settled in 2003.
Yeah.
3.
Huh?
2005. Date of the judgment? Okay, maybe 2005 or 4, whatever it is. 654, yes. Anything else, Mr. Anand?
There is a DW2 is the deposition of his own father. Your Lordship. His father, Atar Rahman, Your Lordship.
The page?
At page 32.
Here you go. Hmm. This is simply a reiteration of what you had said.
Yes.
Only your statements that changed the version.
The cross part, Your Lordship, will be in the LCR, Your Lordship.
Page cross you have not. Madam, please mark the cross of the DWs and indicate the page. And DW3 is the neighbor at
Is the
page
neighbor.
37.
Munsi Abdul Razak.
One 27 is written.
Where is the cross of the neighbor also? Cross is there in the records. Cross of DW2 page
127 to 136.
of DW2
DW2 is 132.
132.
DW3 is 136.
DW is 131.
Hmm?
131.
DW3 is the neighbor. Cross in page what? Of the records. 136. Please read the father's cross.
He was not cross-examined, Lordship. He was some question has been put by the tribunal under section 165 of the CR. আপনার নাম কি? আতাউর রহমান। আপনার বয়স কিমান? 65 বছর। আপনি কোথ থাকে? দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁও, মুৰাঝাৰ থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত। প্ৰতিপক্ষ আপোনাৰ কি হয়? ল'ৰা। প্ৰতিপক্ষ যে আপোনাৰ ল'ৰা হয় তাৰ প্ৰমাণ স্বৰূপে আপুনি এই গোচৰত কিবা নথি দাখিল কৰিছে নেকি? প্ৰতিপক্ষ যে মোৰ ল'ৰা হয় সেইটো প্ৰমাণ কৰিবৰ বাবে মই ইংৰাজী 1950 চনৰ মাটিৰ দলিল এই গোচৰত দাখিল কৰিছো। ইয়াৰোপৰি 1966 চনৰ পৰা আজিলৈকে ভোটাৰ তালিকা, মোৰ ল'ৰাৰ ড্ৰাইভিং লাইসেন্স, পেন কাৰ্ড আৰু ভোটাৰ কাৰ্ড এই গোচৰত দাখিল কৰিছো। দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱত কেতিয়াৰ পৰা আপুনি আছে? মই দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱত মোৰ জন্মৰ পৰা আছো। আপোনাৰ দেউতাৰ জন্ম ক'ত হৈছিল জানেনে? মোৰ দেউতাৰ জন্ম নমাটি গাঁৱত হৈছিল। আপোনাৰ মাৰ নাম কি? মৃত আমাৰুন নেছা। আপোনাৰ দেউতাৰ নাম কি? মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ। আপোনাৰ দেউতা আৰু মাক কেতিয়া ঢুকাইছে আৰু ঢুকোৱা সময়ত বয়স কিমান আছিল? মোৰ দেউতা ঢুকোৱা 20 বছৰ হ'ল আৰু মা ঢুকোৱা 2 বছৰ হ'ল। ঢুকোৱা সময়ত দেউতাৰ বয়স 70 বছৰ আৰু 70 বছৰৰ ওপৰৰ আৰু মাৰ বয়স 68 বছৰ হ'ব। আপোনাৰ বয়স 65 বছৰ বুলি কেনেকৈ জানিলে? মই 1961 চনত স্কুলত প্ৰথম ভৰ্তি হৈছিলো আৰু সেই হিচাপে মোৰ বয়স 65 বছৰ বুলি জানিলো। এই সময়ত মই 4ৰ্থ শ্ৰেণীত ভৰ্তি হৈছিলো। প্ৰতিপক্ষ স্কুলত পঢ়িছিল নে? সৰু থাকোতে প্ৰতিপক্ষই ঘৰৰ ওচৰৰ দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান বুনিয়াদী স্কুলত 2য় শ্ৰেণীলৈকে পঢ়িছিল আৰু তাৰ পাছত ভিৰভাৰ হাইস্কুলত প্ৰতিপক্ষই পঢ়ে। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ ককাই ভাই আৰু বাই ভনী কিমান? প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ ককাই ভাই তেওঁলোক 4জন। প্ৰতিপক্ষ বাহৰুল ইছলাম, খায়ৰুল ইছলাম আৰু আমৰুল ইছলাম। বাই ভনী 2গৰাকী, নাদিয়া বেগম আৰু খালেদা বেগম। আপোনাৰ নিজৰ ককাই ভাই আৰু বাই ভনী কিমান? ককাই ভাই লৈ 3জন। মই মতিউৰ ৰহমান আৰু মুজিবুৰ ৰহমান। বাই ভনী 3গৰাকী, হালিমা খাতুন, ফখৰুন্নেছা আৰু সুৰেজা বেগম। আপোনাৰ ভাই মতিউৰ ৰহমান আৰু মুজিবুৰ ৰহমান ক'ত থাকে? দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱত মোৰ লগতে থাকে, অৰ্থাৎ আমাৰ বাৰী একেখনে। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ মাকৰ নাম কি? নুৰজাহান বেগম। নুৰজাহান বেগমৰ ঘৰ ক'ত? উত্তৰ দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁও। প্ৰতিপক্ষ কিমান শ্ৰেণীলৈকে পঢ়ে? 6ষ্ঠ শ্ৰেণীলৈকে পঢ়ে।
All these answers were under 165 questions, or you read somewhere cross, not cross, right?
DW3 was cross-examined, Lordship.
No, DW2, the one just you have read. There's cross done by the court. No.
No,
Acha, acha.
not done by the court.
Only 165.
Clarificatory questions.
Yes.
What DW3 was cross?
DW3 was cross.
What are the questions?
মোৰ নাম মুন্সি আব্দুল ৰাজ্জাক। মোৰ বয়স 63 বছৰ। মোৰ দেউতা মৃত মুন্সি চুৰমান আলী। মই বৰ্তমান দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱত থাকো, মুৰাঝাৰ থানাৰ অন্তৰ্গত। প্ৰতিপক্ষ মোৰ গাঁৱৰে ব্যক্তি। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ জন্ম দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱতে হয়। তেওঁৰ জন্ম আজিৰ পৰা 40 বছৰৰ পূৰ্বে জন্ম হয়। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ নাম আতাউৰ ৰহমান। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ জন্ম দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থান গাঁৱতে হয়। মই প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ জন্ম উক্ত গাঁৱতে হৈছে বুলি মই শুনা পাইছো। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ আৰু তেওঁৰ জন্ম দবকা নমাটিত হোৱা বুলি শুনিছো।
প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃ?
Yes, Lordship. He heard that, Lordship.
No. Pitri is not Abdul Latif. He's Ataur.
Yes, Lordship. প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ নাম।
Yes.
That means, Lordship,
Grandfather.
প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ নাম মৃত আব্দুল লতিফ আৰু তেওঁৰ জন্ম দবকা নমাটিত হোৱা বুলি শুনিছো। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ পিতৃৰ পিতৃয়ে কেতিয়াৰ পৰা ঘটিছে মই নাজানো। প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাকৰ মাক মৃত আঙ্গুৰ বিবিৰ জন্ম দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থানত হোৱা বুলি মই জানো।
প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ দেউতাকে কেতিয়া ভোট দিছে মই সঠিককৈ নাজানো প্ৰতিপক্ষই দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থানৰ পৰাই ভোট দি আহিছে প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ মাৰ নাম নুৰজাহান আৰু তেখেতৰো জন্ম দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থানতে হয় প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ মাকে কেতিয়াৰ পৰা ভোট দিছে মই নাজানো প্ৰতিপক্ষই এই গোচৰত জন্মৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ দাখিল কৰিছে নে নাই মই নাজানো প্ৰতিপক্ষ বৰ্তমান দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থানতে থাকে মোক প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ উকিলে আহিবলৈ কোৱাত মই সাক্ষী দিবলৈ আহিছো আৰু মোৰ পৰিচয় হিচাপে মই এই গোচৰত মোৰ ভোটাৰ পৰিচয় পত্ৰ দাখিল কৰিছো প্ৰতিপক্ষই দক্ষিণ দেৱস্থানৰ LP স্কুলৰ পৰা পঢ়া শুনা কৰিছে বুলি মই জানো সত্য নহয় যে মই আজি আদালতত এই গোচৰত প্ৰতিপক্ষৰ হৈ মিছা সাক্ষ্য প্ৰদান কৰিছো Yes. Most of the statements in respect of DW3 are DRC evidence from. Okay. Yes, and seconds, Mr. Ahmed.
Now, Lordship, I would like to place a case law, Your Lordship, the 2013 one GLD to
Name.
2013
Name.
one name I have not got 2013 one GLD 809 in para
2013
1
GLT.
GLT 809 in para 122.1
122.1.
yes /122.2. Also, it was held that if there is no cross-examination relating to the claim of the proceeding, and there is no rebuttal evidence of the prosecution to such claim, the tribunal has no option but to declare him as a citizen of India. Here, Your Lordship, there is no cross-examination being done in regards to the claim that has been made by the petitioner, Your Lordship. And another case law, Your Lordship, 2013 1 GLT 941, Abdul Khalek versus Union of India, in para 6 and 9, Your Lordship.
That is on what point?
2013 1 GLT
Hmm?
941.
On what point?
2010. 2013.
13.
13.
1 GLT.
GLT 941 Abdul Khalek versus Union of India in para 6 and 9. Therein it was stated that when the positive statement of the opposite party and his witnesses has been not been denied in the cross-examination, the tribunal ought to have opined the petitioner as an Indian.
Same line.
In the same line, Your Lordship. And also, Your Lordship, I'd like to draw the attention to the case law of Samad Ali versus Union of India, that is 2012 5 GLT 162. It was opined that in the event of failure of documents in support of citizenship due to illiteracy and ignorance, Your Lordship, another opportunity may be granted to the claimant. 2012 5 GLT 162. Samad Ali versus Union of India.
Para?
Yeah, Your Lordship. Para 11, Your Lordship. And another, Your Lordship, of 2015 2 GLT 617.
2015
2 GLT 617. Abdul Muttalib alias Matlib versus Union of India in para 10, Your Lordship.
What has been stated?
It was held that merely on the basis of minor discrepancies in the evidences should not be unduly interpreted to declare as a foreigner by the tribunal.
Now, minor discrepancy
in minor discrepancies in the evidences. So I conclude, Your Lordship, with the Harmander Sonwal also in the case, also it was said that no genuine citizen may be thrown out of the country in 2007 1 SCC 174 para 55. It was held that adequate care should be
2000?
taken. 2007 1 SCC 174 para 55.
Surrender 2.
Yes, sir.
Para?
Para 55. It was held that adequate care should be taken to see that no genuine citizen of India is thrown out of the country ever. The person claiming citizenship is entitled to all the safeguards, both substantive and procedural, to show that he is a citizen of India.
প্রথম কেসটো মুসলিম মণ্ডল
Oh, fine.
122
কিমান লম্বা?
তাকে মই সেইটো কাৰণে চালো ইমান লম্বা ফুল বেঞ্চ
মুছলিম স্পেলিংটো কেনেকে লিখে হ'লে মুছলিম এছ লিখে MOS লিখে
MOS
MOS LEM M মণ্ডলটো MAN
MON
মণ্ডল
MON DAL
Yes, yes. Madam? Have a seat, Mr. Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
Matching with the records and the petition annexes lordship. Here there are the extract copies of the voters list, and here we have the certified copies. It has to be one and the same thing, what it is.
Has to be. Now you can point out those, we'll go by the records.
Yes.
extract copies were
Copies have been given, and here the certificate, it doesn't doesn't look like a
Page, suppose page,
page 47.
example, 46.
47 is 85 was the list. And here it is the extract of the voters list of 85, not the certified copy.
and it was exhibited.
Exhibit is exhibit 4.
No, there is the, there is no signature. Signature no, signature to neither.
A signature too.
Signature to neither.
Actually,
Signature to neither, no?
no signature.
Presenting officer it will head যিকোনো মানুহে লিখি দিব পাৰে and then report superintendent লিখি দিয়ে তেওঁ sign কৰি দিব লাগিব let us see the records for example 47
This one 1975 voters list, which is there but not given entry.
Hmm.
no we are not on 75 we are on 85 which is page no we are on 85
85 is the extract copy there, Lordship.
page 88 I have not এখন পৰিছে exhibit, তাতে signature হয়তো দেখিছা মই যে কৈছিলো,
উম,
8 member,
উম,
এইখিনি কথা ইয়াতে আহিছে, ইয়াতে exhibit কৰিব বুলি লিখিছে।
উম,
Mr. Ahmed,
Yes, sir.
what is this going on? You have enclosed certain documents
Yes.
which were not exhibited in the tribunal. Tribunal, some other documents were exhibited, and you have given the same exhibit numbers. There is no signature of the presiding officer. For example, page 47,
Okay.
page 47 is a voter list of 1985.
Yes, sir.
You also see in the center, in the middle, exhibit 4 is written. There is no signature of the member. But we would have proceeded that at times signatures are left out. But this document is not there in the record itself. Record, you have a uncertified copy, not even an extract. Nonetheless, it was taken into consideration by the learned tribunal. But you have not been fair to the system.
The documents were submitted there in original as per the petitioner.
These are not the originals.
So I have not gone through the record, Your Lordship.
But why have you enclosed some other documents here?
No, this is the document that has been submitted to me as 1985 voter list that has been
Cannot
submitted
be.
for record, Your Lordship.
Cannot be. Petitioner appears to be very clever. You are saying he's ignorant of law, he doesn't know he's illiterate. But this we are not,
Lordship,
equity court we are not even for a moment will not give any leverage. You have to be fair to the system.
can I go through?
You
whether
please
the-
go. You need not go to any other page. You go to the page on your left side, 1985, and make a match with for page 47 of your brief. No, the same page, 85. And you have enclosed something else in the writ petition.
Don't have this copy here, but I have been submitted with the 85 voter list, sir. 35 copy. So I have submitted before this. Because the extract is voter list only. From this only, this has been carried out, Your Lordship. If the same.
We do not know all those things.
It may be.
We
verified.
are asking about a very pertinent question.
Yes, sir.
You have enclosed a different document in the tribunal, you have enclosed a different document in the writ court. There is no necessity to enclose all documents in the writ petition. At times we go through the records, there are some documents missing. We check the records. Though ideally would like whatever documents were exhibited or produced should be enclosed to the writ petition. At times you only say that I do not have the cross-examination.
Yes.
We have looked into that. I do not have 165. We have looked into that. But you say that you have 47, page 47. 47 appears to be something which is not there in the record.
The opinion, Your Lordship, need to see, Your Lordship, whether it has been mentioned therein, which he has submitted the voter.
Records are before us, Mr. Ahmed. Why should you go to the opinion? If the document is in the records, kindly show it to us. That is the purpose of calling for records.
Lordship, there's document that.
The
has been
records normally are not seen.
Yeah.
Whatever you enclose, we take it on face value. We don't encounter this kind of a situation. That record is something else, your enclosures are different. Now we have to be very, very careful.
85 document that has been, I have annexed here, that has been provided to me by the petitioner, whether it resembles.
We are not on the resemblance. It cannot be a resemblance question. It's a question whether it's the same document.
Doesn't reflect as the same document. Lord. I have been provided with a different document.
Yes, Mr. Varma. Let us proceed.
Are you done?
Yes.
Means, the date of birth as per the affidavit is 1979.
No, there is a document which shows it's 1978, 12/5/78
School certificate.
at page 63.
Yes. It has been even noted by the tribunal that the document submitted before the tribunal, the petitioner has 3 date of births. There is a finding in the opinion also, which I just saw actually. That is at page. It's 71 lordship of the petition. Even the tribunal has taken note of this lordship. Like the different exhibits show 3 different date of birth, and the observation is, so the OP has 3 different year of birth and 1 date of birth. His above discussed years of birth and 1 date of birth show that he was born not prior to 1971, which means the cutoff date for determination. But he was born after that. In such a case, the OP has to draw proof and establish his linkage relationship with his Indian parents. This is the finding of the member lordship. And coming back to his voters list, he's emphasized more on the voters list of the family members than of his own. Like voters list of 66, grandfather, grandmother, 70s, grandfather, grandmother, and uncle. Then 85, there is a huge gap of 15 years from 70 to 85. There's no explanation to that. Then 85 voters list of father, mother, brother, and sister. No, it would be grandfather lordship because submissions change. And finally, lordship, his 2013 voters list where his name appears at page 56, lordship. No explanation to why his name does not appear with his family members. But in his WS at page 22, he has mentioned that in 2017 his name appears with his family members, which is not true, lordship. Paragraph 15 in his WS, he states that my name and other family members' name has been enrolled in the voter list of 2017 under so and so. This is true. And
Which paragraph? Which page?
page 30, paragraph 15 of the WS lordship. Now, whether the projected family of the petitioner is relying on is actually his family or not, that is not clear because of his single name voter list lordship.
No, but we have checked these 17 voters list.
Yes, lordship.
Family, he had meant his wife. It will not give him any aid. It will not help him.
He has to link himself with his father.
He has used the expression family, but
Yes.
only wife is there.
And father and grandfather also, father's name appears for the first time in 85 at page 46. So the voters list used of 66 is only grandfather and grandmother.
Hmm.
Father's name is not there, lordship.
No, father was not a voter at that time.
Yes, father's name.
Father
appears
became a voter later.
in lordship. See,
His father was 27 years.
Yes.
But we are not on those. We are on the linkage.
No,
Linkage, we don't find any linkage.
neither with documents or neither the DWs have deposed the 2 and 3. Then his school certificate not proved, ground Bura certificate not proved. And yes, it is. 2017, his father and mother's name appeared. His name is not there in that voters list at page 58, lordship.
Yes.
So if he has a family, his name ought to have appeared since the house number, address and all is.
17 here, you're correct. 17, his name is not there.
His
His
name is not.
father and projected father Ataur and project manager Nur Jahan
Yes.
are there.
Laubura certificate not proved, school certificate not proved. And, but he managed to obtain an epic in 2013.
The Kali's the rehearsal from the uncertified copy is an again serial number 2. Like a subopine.
27.
That's why I'm to records of this.
Record the rehearsal logo and all, 35 copy, no.
Uh-huh.
But still then, let us give him benefit.
Buffet ko logo to
Benefit, but to nice.
the uncertified copies are misconfigured.
Yes, and Diana, no, I want to Diana. 2006, 1985 or 1986.
Oh, so who am I?
Excuse his siblings because in the cross, when Mr. Sharma was reading, he has brothers and sisters, which is not reflected in the written statement. The statement does not has complete information that was or is in his within his lordship, in his knowledge.
Written statement, no disclosure of siblings.
Page 22. It is only grandfather, grandmother, uncle, and more emphasis on the projected family and the voters list, which is relying on lordship. In the cross, I heard him saying he has sisters and brothers.
What about the evidence of the father and the neighbor?
This page. Complete written statement is on the voters list, explanation of uncle and the family members. Just a copy paste of house number and village and district and all that lordship. 2013 his name appears. There's that. Whatever document he has submitted is reflected there. School's driving license, PAN card not relevant. Then Gauhati certificate not true lordship. And some plot of land which was bought lordship by the projected grandfather. But when the grandfather died, there is no information to that. When the father passed away, no information to that. The father is very lordship.
But the house number reflected in the voters list where he appeared alone.
Yes.
That matches with the house number of his parents and all of the earlier voter list.
Doesn't give him
Claim
to citizenship lordship.
Yes, yes.
In his evidence lordship, he has stated whatever he has stated in his WS is a copy paste of that. My friend has found the difference in the 2000 voters list where his name appears and in the 2017 with his father, the house numbers are not same.
Yes, the later voters list, the house number is different, and that to a drastic difference, 205.
After his name appears, he's not been able to establish a stay with his own projected parents. Lordship.
But 2013 voters list, of course, house number cannot be the basis, but 2013 voters list, you see the house number is 91, and 2011 voters list with respect to his parents and other members, house number is 21.
The other members disappeared in 2017, where only his parents appear. His lordship in his evidence is the same as what he has written in his WS. Same. The neighbor has something different to say lordship, but not in his deposit evidence. In cross, he had stated about the family members. Otherwise, it is basically a same copy paste of his written statement by his father and uncle. Only the process which Mr. Sharma read out is different option. What if we would like to rely on Sarvananda Sonowal Lordship, paragraph 26?
First, term number 1.
26 Lordship, that he has to disclose all information what he has burden of efforts on him. And his date of birth, place of birth, name of his parents, their place of birth and citizenship. Sometimes the place of birth of his grandparents may also be relevant. This paragraph I would like to have. Lordship Aziz Mia, paragraph 14. Aziz Mia 2023 4 GLT 246.
2023
4 GLT
246. Para
14 Lordship.
on
The mere claiming of, by referring to a voters list claiming a person therein to be his father is not a conclusive proof. And by doing so, the person has discharged the burden that he is not a foreigner. This is because there is also a further requirement to prove that the person who is reflected in the voters list relied on is actually the father of the person who makes the claim. The claim will have to be substantiated with further materials acceptability. And the school certificate is not proof. School certificate would have helped him, but it's not proof Lordship. My colleague is supposed to. And he was relying on Abdul Matali Lordship that has been clarified in Borhan Ali's.
He has relied on Abdul Matali. He has relied on Matali.
Yes,
Kota Matali ko boy.
it has been clarified in Basiron Bibi.
Mutalib hai?
it
Eta Matali ne. Oh,
Lordship, this is reported in 2018. 1 GLT 372.
what is reported?
Basiron.
Basiron Lordship.
2000
18. 1 GLT 372.
distinguishes Motali. Paragraph
30 Lordship. Reliance placed in the case of Abdul Matali will be of no assistance to the petitioner in as much as it has already been clarified by this court in previous decisions that this said decision did not lay down any law and was a decision confined to the facts and circumstances of that case. Regarding discrepancies in the voters list which the petitioner contended were not her creation being entered into by officials of Election Commission, and therefore should not be used adversely against the petitioner, such contention is without any basis. The voters list were adduced as evidence by the petitioner's asset to prove her case and that she was not a foreigner but a citizen of India. Petitioner cannot insist that only that portions of the voters list which are in her favor should be accepted and those portions going against her should be overlooked. This is not how a document put forward as a piece of evidence.
একেটা ঘৰৰ পৰা
Document has to be
একেটা ঘৰ
treated as a-
বাপেকৰ নামো আতাও okay no common voters list কিন্তু benefit দিব পাৰি নি কাম কৰা মানুহজনৰ 91 house number একে জেগা বাপেকৰ নাম দেখাইছে আতাও
Lordship to.
Hmm.
That is good.
Elect nahi. It by uncertified copy kamata hai.
Well, whose name does not appear, you know, the name for lordship whose name is not disclosed in the WS. He has just come to give oral evidence.
Now, there are certain other issues. See, it starts from 1966, where emphasis is on a voters list having the name of grandfather,
And grandmother.
grandmother,
Yes.
and one uncle also. You cannot ignore the uncle. Why we are saying? Because the link has been sought to be made from the grandfather, in which there is also one A. Sattar, who appears to be granduncle, not uncle, granduncle, son of Mossad. Now, 1970, this granduncle is still there. There is consistency of 1966 and 1970. There is slight name change of name of Mosaid or Somaid.
The grandmother's name has changed consistently.
And that was where we are coming. A Latif is there, Afarun Nessa is there. Afarun Nessa becomes Akukon Nessa. Let us, for a moment, ignore this. Then, after 70, there is a gap of 15 years. Now, see the change. Abdul Latif comes, grandfather, Angur,
Angur Nessa.
Angur Nessa.
Yes.
And this Atasur is there, who is the projected father. He is 27 years. So there has to be a voters list prior to 1985 having the name of his father. There are certain other names of uncles, aunts. Now this, if we ask, where is this Abdul Sattar? Your grandfather is, we not know when, what statement has been made when the grandfather had passed away. What statement has been made, how Abdul Sattar has disappeared. Now this links ought to be made with 66 and 70. This link will fail.
This will fail because the father has not been able to establish his link. His father's name only appears in 85 lordship. This gap of 15 years has not been explained, nor the complete link vanishes here. Then from 85, yes, the names are consistent, the families are consistent. But before that, not a single paper trail to show that they were in the state of Assam or where they were residing here. They existed here, lordship. And most interestingly, 2013, his name appears as a single person's name in the voters list. The complete family disappears now. 2017, his parents' names appear, but he is not there. His sisters are not there, his brother is not there. And no mention of them in the voters, in the WS. And the neighbor who came to adduce evidence, his name is also not there.
What
Because
is the uncle's name? Oh no, uncle has not been
No.
did not depose. It's a neighbor.
DW3 lordship, which was paid. Page 37, lordship. His name is nowhere mentioned earlier. He is some Munsi Abdul Reza, son of late Munsi Sulman Ali. He's 63 years old when it comes to deport lordship. Opposite party is my neighbor. I know the opposite party, Muhammad Gyasuddin, from his birth, and he was born and brought up at village Dakhin, Devasta. And the father's name of the opposite party is Ataur Rahman and his mother's name is Noor Jahan Begum. But his mother's name in the voters list is something else.
No, it was Noor Jahan only.
Jahan. And his grandfather's name is Abdul Latif and his grandmother is Akurul Nesa. Then the neighbor states that the grandparents and other family members of the opposite party has been enrolled in the voters list of 66. So and so, then 70, the same thing continues. grandparents and other family members' name of the opposite party has been enrolled in the voter list of 1975, but that voter list has not been exhibited under so and so. The neighbor has more information than the petitioner, that the parents and the other family members' name of the opposite party has been enrolled in the voters list of 85, 89, 97, 2005, 2008, then 2010, Lordship. All this is within the knowledge of the neighbor. And then Lordship, we state 2013 that the name of the opposite party has been enrolled in the voters list of 2013. The same continues at paragraph 16, that is voters list of 2016. Voters list of 2016, we have not found it.
2017 is there, not 16.
There 16 is not there, 85 is not there, then 75 is not there. The same thing which has been continued. Only in the cross we could make out that he has a family of brothers and sisters, Lordship. And the neighbor's name was not there in the WS. He has suddenly cropped up to made a sudden appearance to give. For that, we would like to rely on Momin Ali, Lordship. Variance between the pleadings and the measure. 2017 Lordship 2 GLT 1076.
Where are?
Paragraph Lordship 12, 13 and 17. It's variance between pleading and proof not permissible, Lordship.
The petitioner নাম বাপেকৰ লগত নাই কতো। বাপেকৰ
Last ওখানে দুই might see the one of the two. It will be
সেইটোৱে।
So, yeah.
একেলগে থাকিলেও বেলেগ কথা।
উম,
Yes, anything else?
Lordship, calculating his name ought to have, father's name ought to have been with the grandfather. That's what we were calculating, Lordship.
No, father and grandfather were there together in common voters list, but he is not there with his father.
Any of them.
Okay, please write. Yes, Ahmed, A1 and rest. Reserve for judgment. Record ছিল।
আচ্ছা, हो गया।
এখন আনিলে। এখন দুখন। এইটো অলপ বহল আছে, এইটো ভাল।
11 to 19.
চিনটো শুনিলো নেপালীটো শুনিলো এইটো নোটটো কি হ'ল অ নোটটো আছে তাতে পালি আছে নহয় কণ্টিনিউছ এখন এইটো
Item number 11 was heard yesterday.
Hmm.
Now I look 12, my lord. So, my lord, my submission, my lord, first submission will be, my lord, regarding maintenance.
Just a minute, item number, what is the number? 6484.
6484, my lord. Nivaran Biswas. My lord, my first argument will be, my lord, regarding maintainability of the proceeding, my lord. For that, my lord, your lordship may kindly take up the, my lord, PCR, my lord.
Nivaran Biswas. LCR এটাই নি নহয় নি?
Yes.
My lord, in TCR, my lord, the reference is against, my lord, one Horen Mondal. Enquiry was conducted against Horen Mondal,
Horen.
Horen Mondal. Alias Honendra, oh no, my lord, only Horen Mondal, my lord.
Reference is also against Horen Mondal.
Horen Mondal. Verification officer's report is against Horen Mondal, my lord. In column number 13 of the verification report, my lord, it is content submitted that, my lord, the verification has been done and he is the permanent resident of number 1 Gunamara village. Thereafter, my lord, reference was forwarded to the Foreigners Tribunal, my lord. And Foreigners Tribunal issued notice on 31st/7/2015 to Horen Mondal, my lord.
31st?
31st/7/2015. As my lord,
बोल नहीं क्वेश्चन on 31/7/15 notice was issued to Horen Mondal.
Horen Mondal, my lord. As per my lord report, my lord, Horen Mondal is, there is no such Horen Mondal, my lord. Horen Biswas or alias Horendra Biswas. So he was died in the year 2002, my lord. So obviously, my lord, notice could not be served.
2002 your father had passed away.
Yes, my lord.
But your father was not Mondal, it was Biswas.
Biswas. So as per process server report, my lord, notice could not be served.
Yes.
Did your father die?
2002.
2002, my lord.
2000.
Then, my lord, the learned tribunal, my lord, kept the case record as file, my lord. On by order dated 17/9/2015.
17?
9/2015. Thereafter, my lord, the present member, my lord, by order dated 30/10/2015. He suddenly, my lord, some instruction were required, my lord, obtained, my lord, from the village headman as well as from the OC Dharamtul, my lord, who submitted a report, my lord, stating that, my lord,
30/10/2015 is the report.
no, my lord, this is order.
Order.
My lord, report said that, my lord, the procedure is actually, my lord, Nivaran Mondal, not Nivaran Biswas, my lord. Report was submitted by the village headman and the OC Dharamtul, my lord, that proceeding is Nivaran Mondal. son of Horen Mondal. And it was inadvertently, my lord, mentioned in the reference as Horen Mondal, son of Nivaran Mondal. Report was submitted like that. My lord.
Proceeding report said proceeding was actually Nivaran Mandal.
Nivaran Mondal, son of Horen Mondal. And in the reference, it was inadvertently, wrongly, my lord, mentioned as Horen Mondal, son of Nivaran Mondal, my lord.
So there was another reference.
No, my lord, there is only one reference.
Reference was in respect of his father, Horen Mondal.
Horen Mondal, my lord.
And you said that
Then, my
order
lord-
dated 30/10/2015 reflected about a report.
Yes, my lord. Report of the
OC
Ocean
village.
village headman said that, my lord, the proceeding's actual name is Nivaran Mondal, son of Horen Mondal. It's not Horen Mondal, son of Nivaran Mondal. Report was submitted like that, my lord. Then, my lord, tribunal, my lord, issued second notice on 30/10/2015.
Same date.
Yes, my lord, same day. To Nivaran Mondal, my lord. Again, my lord, Nivaran Mondal, not Nivaran Biswas, my lord. I am Nivaran Biswas, my lord. Notice was served on me, my lord. I appeared, my lord, filed WS, my lord. In para 6, my lord, I have stated clearly that Horen Biswas, my father, alias Horendra Biswas, purchased land in the year 1970, my lord.
Mr. Sharma, before we go to the merits of the case, what about this aspect?
Lordship, my humble submission is that this enquiry is done by ERO Lordship and
Enquiry was against whom?
against Horen Mondal.
Horen Mandal.
Yes, Lordship. And in case of such enquiry, Lordship, police cannot conduct enquiry, Lordship. In this actually, in respect of ERO's enquiry, Lordship. Here, Lordship, my humble submission is that here police authority did not conduct enquiry. And enquiry made against one Horen Mondal, son of Sri Nivaran Mondal.
Son of Sri Nivaran Mondal.
Yes, sir.
Other way out.
Yes, sir.
No, if there is no reference, the question of adjudication will not come. Reference, one report from the OC Dharamtul has said that the reference was wrongly made in the name of Horen Mondal's son of, in the name of
Horen Mondal.
Horen Mondal, son of Nivaran Mondal.
Mondal.
It should have been the other way around. It should have been Nivaran Mondal, son of Horen Mondal.
Mondal.
Now, we are not even going to the aspect of the surname, Biswas and Mondal.
Yes.
We are on the aspect of the reference made against whom?
Yes, against Horen Mondal.
Horen Mondal. And the case was filed on 17/9/2015
Yes.
on noticing that the Horen Mondal had expired
Yes.
in 2002 itself. So unless there is a reference,
Yes, sir.
you can proceed, but to assume jurisdiction, there has to be a reference. That is the law.
Yes, Mondal.
Independent enquiry.
Now, whether the tribunal had the authority and jurisdiction to call for further reports from the OC,
No.
further reports could have been helpful if it was for the same
Same person.
proceeding.
Yes, yes.
That Horen Mondal has not passed away, it's a wrong report, he's there, you can proceed. Now, the clarification is entirely different, that the reference itself has been questioned, saying that it should be had been the other way around. The OC may be correct, absolutely correct on facts,
Yes.
but that will require a reference to be made. And who has the power to make the reference? Not the OC.
Yes, Mondal.
Otherwise, Lordship, here
Nivaran Vistas is accepted in notice,
Second notice, my lord.
second notice. And here, Mondon Vistas, Pitamrita Horan Vistas.
In the reference, it is written Horen Mondal, son of Nibaran Mondal.
Yes, my lord.
In the reference.
Yes, ma'am.
That was mistakenly written.
ঠিক করে বলে ওটা referral authority তো করে বলে, not the OC.
Not the OC. That should have been corrected actually by.
My lord, you should have, my lord, return back to the authority, my lord.
It should have been returned back to the referral authority, make the corrections.
Yes, ma'am.
That procedure has not been followed. And if at the root there is a jurisdictional issue, then all subsequent action, consequent action
My lord,
may not be sustainable
Yeah.
in law.
but my lord, in this case, my lord, he has, my lord, passed opinion, my lord, only on the, my lord, reference of, only on the, my lord, registration certificate, my lord.
No, that respect will not, we may not be, we may not be required to deal with that aspect
Yes,
if we deal with the jurisdictional aspect.
my lord, in other cases, my lord, same, this case is referred, my lord, while passing opinion, my lord. This opinion is referred, my lord, in other writ petition, my lord, that is an.
No, other petitions we have to decide, we have not, we are just tentatively thinking. If we interfere in this case
My lord,
on the aspect of jurisdiction,
my lord,
then the findings on merits will automatically go as a consequence.
consequently.
But if a decision has been rendered in other cases on the aspect of the registration certificate,
Yes, my lord,
we'll decide those cases
individual,
provided the reference was properly made.
my lord.
On the basis of their lordship, tribunal make the inquiry lordship. And they, by the petition dated 30/11/2015, they prayed that
30/10 to reported is it?
30/11/15.
The report was submitted on 13/10.
Order is of 30/10/15, 30.
No, my lord.
Order
Uh,
Order
13,
is of
13, 1/3.
Oh,
not 30,
1-3.
1-3.
1/3, my lord.
No 3-0. And the second notice is 3013.
Yes, my lord,
Should be what?
30.
30.
30, my lord.
30.
Which notice?
Second notice, my lord,
Or by the tribunal?
tribunal, my lord.
30?
10/2015.
Oh, notice issued. Okay, okay.
Second notice, my lord.
30/11/15.
Notice to this reference to any program will not apply again.
Reference to correct করা না বলেছি।
Notice is it will not
Notice কেন
deem
করি?
to have correct.
Power and right. Adjudication of.
Okay,
Assume
time
jurisdiction
logo.
when the reference is made. References ended in the case being filed on 17/9/2015. Therefore, a fresh reference, there could have been a reference against foreign member, which is ended because he has passed away, case filed. Now you can have a reference against Horan Biswas, this Nibaran Biswas.
Look, he shown as the son of Nivaran, so that was a mistake.
They have to be corrected by the referral authority. What about the other cases? All same. Mr. Hassan was arguing something else yesterday. His case is different or what?
Hassan case is, my lord, is one of his, my lord, my brother.
No, that we know. But same notice was issued on 30/10/2015.
No, no.
The initial, there was a reference against him
Yes,
separately.
separate reference,
Your
separate
case will
reference.
be different.
Yes, ma'am, separate reference.
Your case will have to decide on merits.
In this case, lordship, my submission is that record shows that lordship, they accepted the plea that accepted that lordship, I am not Horan Mondal, I am Nibaran Mondal.
Yes.
So, case may be proceeded in respect of Nibaran Mondal.
No, there, you cannot acquire. There has to be a reference. You're accepting which is inherently a defective proceeding. Your acceptance will not make it legal.
My lord, I would like to rely on judgment.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Son.
We have to remove this confusion.
For the time being, lordship, for the time being, lordship,
Who?
I.
Ali will come.
I want to consult with Mr. Payang, lordship.
Fine, okay, we can have. But the law is very clear and the case laws are also there.
Independent inquiry.
No, not independent inquiry. The tribunal assumes jurisdiction only when a reference is made in accordance with law.
Yes.
Now, the reference is made on the basis of an individual who had passed away in 2002. And this particular petitioner happens to be the son of that thing. Now, in the second, after the case was filed, in the attempt made by the authority, by the tribunal, it came to be, it revealed that it should have been in the name of the petitioner who is the son of that person referred. Now, that has to be corrected at the appropriate level. You correct it and you proceed. There will be no restriction. This, if we pass an order also interfering, that is only on this ground. There will be no restriction to proceed against a foreigner.
Only that this order will go on.
What is it? Mr. Payang, situation is slightly different.
Yes.
Let us try to deliberate. Let me place in a very brief manner. There was a reference against one. Kindly pay attention here. Pay attention here. It will be very, very easy for you.
Yes.
There is a reference against one Horen Mondal. There was an inquiry made against Horen Mondal. And the verification officer also reported against Horen Mondal. And there was also a remark that he is a permanent resident of so-and-so village. Nonetheless, notice was issued by the tribunal in 2015. And in the Jari Karok report, it transpires that 2002 itself, this Horen Mondal had passed away. There is a slight distinction between Horen Mondal and Horen Biswas. In 2015, the case was filed. 2015. Thereafter, the presiding officer sought some information and the OC had given a report of Dharamtul saying that the reference should have been in the name of Nibaran Mondal, son of Horen Mondal. Now, there it is, as a matter of fact, it may be correct, but the referral authority has to make the correction.
Yes.
It cannot act on the basis of a report by the OC of
Particular.
Dharamtul.
Yes.
What is the law on this?
How is clear, my lord? There must be a reference from the SP.
SP. Now,
Yes.
there may be a mistake.
Yes.
Some father can be mistake, but this mistake who can correct? Can the OC correct?
No, my lord. There is, my lord, I think there is, the only thing is that the reference was initially in the name of Horen Mondal. Now, if the notice was also sent to Horen Mondal, and then, my lord, it is reported that Horen Mondal is died.
17/9/2015, the case was filed.
Yes, fine. Then,
You could have reopened if some other reports came out, no, Horen Mondal has not passed away, he's there. So you reopen. But you cannot reopen for somebody else.
yes.
On the basis of a report
That is
that
fine.
Horen Mondal and Nibaran Biswas, there was some mistake.
Yes.
এই ভেরিফিকেশন কি করে তাৰমানে একো নাচাই ভালকে ন এইবোৰ তহঁতে গম পালে হয় মানুহটো মৰিছে
আৰম্ভণিত কৰোঁতে সেই গণ্ডগোল কৰোঁতে হৰেণৰ এগেইনষ্টে এনকুৱাৰী বিলাক কৰিলে না হৰেণ ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যনটো যিটো আছে তাতে আছে এতিয়া কৰিছে ৰিপৰ্ট আহিছে এইটো 2002 মোক ওলাইছে
কিন্তু সেই ভেৰিফিকেশ্যন
ইয়াৰো ৰিপৰ্ট বিলাক এতিয়াই কৰিছে ইয়াৰো 97, 98, 99, 42, 2003 ওলাইছে
এইবোৰ আগৰ আছিল তাৰমানে Reference of it was.
What we are proposing, just loud thinking, Mr. Payang,
Yes.
that on the basis of lack of jurisdiction, we interfere, but that will not preclude you from initiating a reference in accordance with law if you think that the proceedee is not a citizen of India.
That's.
But but we are not touching on the merits because based on the decision, there are other decisions. We will independently examine whether that registration would be a valid document or not.
Without going into the merit of the case.
Well, we're not going to, we'll go straight to the root of the case, jurisdictional part.
Yes, on your jurisdictional part.
And except Nigaran Biswas, is there any other case of this nature? No.
Yes, my lord.
Which one?
Next case is, my lord, Ukil Biswas, my lord.
Same.
Same.
A second notice had gone after 13/5, 13/10/2015.
Facts are different. In this case, my lord,
Ukil is also the brother of petitioner.
But against Ukil, was there a reference?
yes, my lord.
Then
Then.
Ukil will have to,
It will be different.
okay, Ukil will decide.
Yes, my lord.
No, so therefore we are asking, reiterating, is there any other case? Because you have said that there are siblings, brothers,
Yes, my lord.
based on a similar situation.
No,
No,
my lord.
except or
Here
not.
is a reference.
So let us dispose this Nivaran
My
Biswas.
lord. My lord.
And rest will decide on their own
My
merits. We have already heard Mr. Hassan.
Yes.
It will dispose.
A2.
Okay, please write it. This we are disposing of, huh?
Yes.
The instant application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed against an opinion dated so and so, passed by the so and so, in case number so and so, whereby the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. Sir, we have heard. Three. Law court, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted at the has submitted at the outset has at the outset questioned the jurisdiction and authority of the learned tribunal to proceed with the matter. He has submitted that the reference was against one Horen Mondal, inverted diva, naam lekha so inverted diva. And accordingly, the inquiry was also held against the said Horen Mondal, culminating in a report of the verification officer in the same name, full stop. He has also submitted that the report mentions that the individual Horen Mondal was found to be a permanent resident of what village, Guan?
Number one, Gunamara.
Gunamala.
Mara.
Number one, Gunamara village in the district of Dhuri.
Moriga.
District of Morigaon.
Yes, ma'am.
Morigaon. Full stop. The learned tribunal, on receipt of the reference, had issued notice on 31/7/2015 to the said Horen Mondal. Full stop. However, the notice could not be served, and there is a report from the process server that the proceedee had passed away in the year 2002.
My
Full
lord.
stop.
I want to
2002.
clarify, my lord.
I'll clarify.
There was no such, my lord, process server was not reported that he was died.
Then
Process server reported that the proceeding is not available in the local.
there's a report from process server that the proceeding was not available. Full stop. At this juncture, the learned counsel for the petitioner has clarified that the name of his father is Horen Biswas,
Yes.
who had passed away in the year 2002. Full stop. Under such circumstances, the case was filed on 17/9/2015.
Yes, ma'am.
Full stop. However, it transpires that the presiding officer, that the learned member
had sought further information, including from the officer in charge, Dharamtul PS, full stop. The Dharamtul PS had given a report stating that the proceedee was actually Nibaran Mandal, son of Haran Mandal, whereas the reference was wrongly made in the name of Haran Mandal, son of Nibaran Mandal. Full stop. The learned counsel has clarified that in any case, his client is Nibaran Biswas and not Nibaran Mandal.
Yes,
Full stop. Para. The learned tribunal had accordingly issued notice to the said Nibaran Mandal on 30/10/2015. Full stop. Upon receipt of notice, comma, in spite of the projection that the petitioner is Nibaran Biswas and not Nibaran Mandal, comma, the petitioner had contested the proceeding, which had culminated in the impugned opinion. Full stop. Para. Sri Law Court, the learned counsel, has submitted that the aspect of his client submitting before the learned tribunal would not confer jurisdiction to the tribunal, which assumes jurisdiction only on the strength of a valid reference. Full stop. Para. Sri Payang, the learned standing counsel, Home Department, has fairly submitted that the records of the tribunal would reflect that the reference was made against one Haran Mandal. Full stop. Whether the said Haran Mandal and Haran Biswas is the same person would be a different aspect, comma, but there is no reference in the name of either Nibaran Biswas or Nibaran Mandal. Correct? Full stop. On the aspect, on the point of law, comma, the learned standing counsel has submitted that as a matter of fact, the tribunal assumes jurisdiction on the basis of a validly made reference. Full stop. Para. It transpires that there are materials to suggest that the reference itself was made against a wrong person, which should have been a wrong person. Full stop. As noted above, comma, while the reference was made against Haran Mandal, son of Nibaran Mandal, comma, it should have been in the reverse, that is Nibaran Mandal, son of Haran Mandal. Full stop. There is a further aspect as to whether Nibaran Mandal and Nibaran Biswas would be the same person. Full stop. Para. Without going into those aspects and also without entering into the merits of the case on which the opinion was rendered, comma, we are of the view that in absence of a validly made reference against the petitioner as a proceeding, comma, the tribunal, learned tribunal, could not have assumed jurisdiction. Full stop. It is res integra that if an act is done without jurisdiction, comma, all consequent action will be null and void. Para. In view of the above, comma, the impugned opinion is interfered with and set aside. Full stop. We, however, make it clear that the interference is only on the aspect of the reference being wrongly made and would not preclude the authorities to make a reference in accordance with law, in which case, comma, the learned tribunal would proceed in accordance with law. Full stop. Let the records be sent back. Okay. Nibaran gone. Then others?
My lord, next item is my lord, Ukil Biswas.
Okay, okay.
Case number is, my lord, P410 of 2018.
For the 11 meeting.
Hmm.
11, 6. 6.
নোটবোৰ আপুনি চব থৈ দিয়ে নেকি?
হুম।
থৈ দিয়ে নি নোটবোৰ?
না এটাতে থেকে যায়
পাই ল'ব।
ফাইলত থাকে আসলে থলে ভালো হয় সাইটেশন বিলাক লাগি থাকে
লাগি থাকে।
মই এখন পঢ়ি আছিলো এইটো নেলেখা হ'ল বহিতে নোট কৰিছিলো বহিখন সদায় থাকে
3410.
Yes, my lord.
The petitioners are all brothers.
Mr. Sheikh, we are waiting for which matter?
Number 4.
4 perhaps not be possible. We are rising at 1 o'clock and this series we are trying to complete whatever is possible.
Fine.
Yours will be 1 o'clock, this bench is rising. Other matters, I don't think there will be a scope. The Mahanta cannot be a scope.
No. Okay.
Yes.
Here, my lord, petitioner number 1 is the Ukil Viswas, and petitioner number 2 to 4 are his family members, my lord. Son and wife, my lord.
There are 3 petitioners.
4 petitioners, all total 4 petitioners.
Wife and son. How many sons? 2 sons.
My lord,
এজনী ছোৱালী।
One son and daughter.
1 son and 1 daughter, my lord.
Wife, son and daughter.
Yes, my lord.
2 children.
But in this case, my lord, there was no reference against the petition number 2 to 4.
That has been clarified by the tribunal. Or all have been declared.
Yes, my lord, all have been declared. Even in the reference, my lord, there was no specific mention about petitioner number 1 in which stream he has been suspected as a foreigner.
Those we have answered. That will not
Yes, my lord.
that will not be of much relevance. But so far as 2 to 4 are concerned, you can get it from us that we are interfering. But 1 we have to decide on merits.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us decide 1.
Yes, my lord.
2 to 4 will give up that it is automatically interfered with.
My lord. So now, my lord, he has filed WS.
Which page? Nine through 18 is the order.
My lord, impugn order is at
9 through 18.
yes, my lord. 9/3/2018, my lord.
Page?
Page, my lord, 64 annex 10, my lord.
FT number 1, Morigaon.
Yes, my lord.
Page 2.
Page, my lord, 64 annex 10. After receipt of the notice, my lord, the petitioner number 1 appeared, my lord, and filed WS on 15/9/2017. In WS, my lord, he has stated in para 5, my lord, that his father, Horendra Biswas, alias Horen Biswas, was an Indian citizen as because he
Your written
passed
statement is at which page?
page number, my lord, 47, my lord. Annex 7.
Date of the written statement.
My lord.
Date of the written statement. Date.
Date, my lord, 15/9/2017, my lord.
It is a common written statement.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. Page 47.
Page 47.
Yes.
In para 5, my lord, he has stated, my lord, petitioner father, my lord, Horen বিশ্বাস, alias Horendra বিশ্বাস, my lord, purchased land in the year 1970, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, in para 6, my lord, he has stated that his two brother, namely one Madan বিশ্বাস and one, my lord, Roben বিশ্বাস, were declared Indian, my lord. He has stated the case number also, my lord. And he has stated that, my lord, all the original documents were submitted in the reference of his brother, Nibaran বিশ্বাস.
There was actually no reference against Nibaran Biswas.
No, my lord. That,
Nibaran contested that
Yes, ma'am.
Horen Mondal case.
yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
So he stated before the tribunal that all the original documents, my lord, were submitted in Nibaran Nibaran Biswas case, my lord. So he could not submitted much document in this case, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, your lordship may kindly turn to page Annexer 1, page 17, my lord. The vernacular
17.
is, yes, my lord, they are registration certificate, my lord. The vernacular is that, my lord, the original one is at page 18, my lord. This is the registration certificate, my lord, in the name of one petitioner father, my lord.
What is the, what is the registration certificate?
This certificate was issued by the election officer, Nagaon, my lord.
Yes, what is the significance of this certificate?
It was issued, my lord, that the case was, the name was registered, my lord, as a citizen of India, my lord, under the provision of section 51AB of the Citizenship Act 1955, my lord. Citizenship.
With regard to migration.
No, my lord. It was that, my lord, when the persons came, my lord, due to religious persecution, my lord, whatever it is, my lord, they can register their name in their concern office, my lord.
Migration or officer registration করে হয়েছিল।
It was 1961 or no, so.
একটু
And the certificate was issued, my lord, on 9/5/2000, oh, sorry, 1961.
Let us see this citizenship act.
এটা না
Five, AD. Citizenship, এখন রেশন কুমার খান।
not being an illegal migrant or visitor.
One AD.
B type only outside undivided India.
Outside undivided India. Outside undivided India to contain Bangladesh.
বাংলাদেশের আছে
Outside.
A person of Indian origin who is ordinarily resident in any country.
Or place
or
outside.
outs- So it always ordinarily Bangladesh আছে কিন্তু
It's
এটা
not
তো-
undivided country.
Huh? No,
Already
এটা
resided
1961
outside,
Oh,
outside undivided.
oh, outside,
Not in Bangladesh or Pakistan.
outside undivided only.
A person is like,
In which clause your case will come?
This certificate is seen to be issued under 51A.
Hmm.
51A, ma'am.
And D.
Visit A and D. D will not come, D minor citizen, persons who are citizen of India. If a person is a citizen of India, but born probably outside India, then he will get citizenship by birth under 51.
Yeah, what about a person of Indian origin?
Yes, this is to be seen, madam. What the provision is subject to the provision of this section, madam, 5(1). Section and such other conditions and restrictions as may be prescribed. The central government may, on an application made in this period, there must be an application. Registered as a citizen of India of any person not being illegal migrant. Secondly, he should not be an illegal migrant who is not already such citizen by virtue of constitution or any other provision of this act. So if he is not a citizen of India, if he make an application, if he is not an illegal migrant, then the condition 1E comes, madam. Who can apply? A person of Indian origin. Indian origin, madam, definition is there. Who is ordinary resident in India for 7 years before making an application for registration. This is so there must be an application, and he must be a resident of India, ordinary resident of India for 7 years prior to making of that application. That is the procedure.
So this presupposes that this registration order of 1961, he was in India
Prior to
For 7 years.
at least for 7 years.
At least for 7 years.
That means 1954,
Yes.
since 1954, he was in India.
Yes.
Indian origin is not defined. Where did you get the definition?
For the purpose of A, C and everything. So the president of India, madam, is there. Indian,
in the certificate from the society of the
Yet again, 7 years আছে Indian origin. বাপেক মাক।
Now, we just wanted to
Uh,
understand what is this. May not be very relevant for the book because that is not the dispute or controversy.
put it, my lord, if the person entered in India, my lord, there is admissibly permitted by them. The father entered in India in between, my lord, from East Pakistan. That is in all cases. Now, the second condition, at that time, my lord, the cow was not there. The cow was not there. So even whether this certificate is valid, whether it can be accepted, because we don't have the documents, my lord. There is no record in the office. That is one aspect of the matter of this particular document. This was verified. The DC office says, but there is no record of this.
pertaining to 1961.
61. Yes, that's right. Now, the first condition, if he applied, one condition, he has to apply for it. Secondly, he cannot be an illegal migrant. And at that time he entered, if he entered after 1950 in India, and then
He means the father. Father.
His father, man, here, Horendra Biswas. Horendra Biswas, the father of the petitioner. If the father of the petitioner entered in India after 1950, he is illegal migrant.
After?
After 1950. Because it is admitted, my lord, he entered from East Pakistan. It is admitted father entered from East Pakistan, came from East Pakistan.
But illegal migrant is defined.
Illegal migrant is different.
Huh.
Now it is different. Earlier it was illegal migrant is different. Illegal migrant means a foreigner who entered into India to be my lord,
Without a valid passport.
without a valid passport or other travel document, as such other documents or authority as may be prescribed by or under any law.
registration certificate
from So it is
Now, is there any cutoff that before 1950, if you enter
no, my lord.
illegal migrant?
No, if he was in Indian origin means what my understanding is, those my lord, prior to independence, prior to
It has to be a resident of the undivided India.
Undivided
India, Pakistan, and East Pakistan.
Is Pakistan.
Okay.
That is the Indian origin.
Okay.
Now, if he's an Indian origin, that is the first point. Then secondly, my lord, he must be not be an illegal migrant. Then illegal migrant will be, who is an illegal migrant? Illegal migrant is there, my lord. Means a foreigner who entered in India without valid passport or other travel documents, as such other documents, with a valid passport or other documents, and as such other documents or authority may be prescribed. So now there is a provision, provided that any person belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, persist. Now it is under Ka. And all Christians from Bangladesh entered into India or before 31st day of 2014, and who has been exempted by the central government so and so from the application provision of this act. Any rules and met thereunder shall not be treated as illegal migrant. Now they will not be treated illegal migrant as per the Ka 2019. But at that time they were illegal migrant if they entered from East Pakistan. Now that was the first question. That is why the record was necessary. If the record is not available in the DC office of the Deputy Commissioner, it is impossible. Secondly, my lord, he must enter prior to at least before 7 years from application, making the application. When he entered, that is not confirmed. When he made the application, that is also not confirmed. After making the application, it is the central government who can issue this certificate. But it is issued by the my lord. So we like
Now, if after the CAA amendment, where a particular date of 2014 has been earmarked,
yes,
if he makes a statement that I have been living, I am not an illegal migrant
Yes.
because I am covered by this amendment.
Yes.
Number two, I am living in India for the last 7 years. Then he more or less fulfills the requirement to file an application with other formalities.
Yes.
And once it is filed, it will be considered and passed appropriate orders of central government. Central government. So irrespective of the validity of page 17 or
Yes.
not,
Yes.
that option is there for
The
him.
option is there, yes. It is admitted matter due to religious persecution they entered, the father entered. And they are eligible to, but now also the other car they are eligible. But whether this certificate.
Your Mr. Locker, your entire case is dependent on page 17.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Then if 17 is not found with the not traced with the records,
Yes, my lord.
we cannot grant, you will not get the automatic benefit. It may not be your fault.
And
It may not be your fault, but we have to balance it because it is a question of grant of citizenship.
apart from this certificate, my lord, there is also a sale deed, my lord, of executed in favor of the petitioner's father, my lord, India 1970, my lord. But that document and this certificate annexed in the, my lord, Nivaran case, my lord, Nivaran Biswas case, my lord.
And how have you connected yourself with your father?
My lord, by voter list, my lord.
Which one?
Voter list, exhibit 5, my lord.
Page?
Page, my lord. Resolution of Americana and Linux government. My lord, here, my lord, I have not annexed the voter list, my lord, but it was exhibited, my lord. Exhibit F, my lord, 2016, my lord.
16. What is your age? Age.
Age, at the time of my lord filing the writ petition,
Date of birth?
he was 38. Date of birth is, my lord, 1/1/1980, my lord.
1/1/1980.
Yes, my lord.
So which is your first voters list?
1998 would be the first.
No, is it there?
Should be.
No, my lord.
So
He has not exhibited prior to 2006 voter list.
2006.
16.
16.
Yes.
16 year. 16.
And one
What age has been shown in 2016?
is
35.
Ah.
35.
Page of records?
6C, my lord.
6C of records.
Yes.
Ukil Viswas is there.
Yes, Upil Biswas Sikaran.
Shikharani is my mother, my lord.
Chikhani is
sorry,
your wife.
My wife.
Wife.
I'm sorry.
And his registration certificate was not exhibited before the tribunal, right?
No, my lord, that was exhibited, my lord, in Nivaran
Commander.
Biswas case. Even my lord Sel did also, my lord. But he has clarified, my lord, before the tribunal, my lord.
Ukil is 35 and your wife Sikharani?
Shikharani is my wife.
32. Sikaran is 32.
And another, my lord,
But Sikharani is one of the proceedee, one of the parties here.
yes, my lord.
But against whom there was no reference.
No reference, my lord.
But in the other cases which you have,
Nivaran,
are by whom? Nivaran we have already heard.
yes, my lord.
Ukil we are hearing. Then Mr. Hassan's case, what is the name?
Sachin Biswas.
Huh?
Sachin Biswas.
Sosin, yes. Sosin.
He is also exhibited one, my lord, school certificate, my lord. Exhibit B, my lord. But that was not proved.
And what about Radhesam? Similar.
Radhesam is, no, my lord. He is not a family member of this family, my lord.
Then
He is different, my lord.
you are representing Radhesam.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the case of Radhesam?
Radhesam, my lord, same, my lord.
Registration certificate.
Registration certificate, my lord.
61.
Yes, ma'am.
Could not be traced.
Yes, ma'am. No, it is 61, no, 68 certificate, ma'am.
Could be traced or not.
But my lord, Learned Tribunal held that, my lord, that since, my lord, other registration certificate were found to be fake, my lord, so he presumed that this is also a fake, my lord.
Others were not found to be fake. Others were found to be originals were not found to be traceable.
Fix up করে যাও বেঞ্চ তো খালি হয়ে গেল
খালি যি শুনি
তাহলে পুরোপুরি বলো
গোটেইকেইটা নহ'ব আধা কৰি ধৰিলে নহ'ব ন
নহ'ব না কিন্তু নাই এইটো শুনিলো ৰাধেশ্যামটো এইটো ৰাধেশ্যামটো নিবাৰণৰ জীৱন ভাষানা শুনিছো
আৰু আছে নে হা আৰু আছে নে খবৰ
নাই নাই
মিঠুন নম্বৰ আছেতো
What about the other cases, Mithun and all?
মীনা
Mithun is also
Okay.
same, my lord, registration certificate, but of different.
Yesterday, Mr. Hassan has only said 4 cases. 7071, 6484, 3410 and 3940. How many cases are there?
it's not a 9
My lord,
cases
in this family, my lord, 3 cases is there. My lord, one is appearing for Hassan, Hassan is appearing for one. And the other, Ukil Biswas and Nivaran Biswas, I am appearing.
Nibaran is gone already.
Yes, my lord.
Then what about the others?
Other, my lord, is a different case, my lord, different family, my lord.
You are
But
appealing.
issue, yes, my lord. Issue is, my lord, same, my lord, registration certificate that was declined by the,
All may not be able to be, because this bench is till tomorrow.
yes, my lord.
Tomorrow also in second half perhaps will not be there. Single bench will be there. There's some disruption in some other bench, so matters have been assigned. So we'll try to, we have already heard almost Wakil and Radhesam will be remaining.
Yes, my lord. That can be, my lord, hard, my lord, separately, my lord.
Partisan.
Yes, my lord.
From the same place.
Huh?
Not from the same family, my lord.
Not from the same.
So we complete Ukil today at least.
Yes, my lord. Ukil only is almost, my lord, complete.
Ukil and Sachin will reserve for judgment.
Yes.
The only voters list you have is 2016.
And my lord, exhibit C, my lord, one village headman certificate, my lord. That was not proved, my lord. One, my lord,
Page.
Please. We see the record.
2C in the records. I don't know, school certificate.
Village headman certificate.
Yes, my lord.
Gauhati.
Gabura, my lord. Then, my lord, exhibit B, my lord,
Not
school.
proved. What is the date of the Gauhati certificate?
It is, counter certificate is 3C, madam. School certificate is 2C. But date is, madam, 24/4/17.
Gauhati certificate, not proved. And to 2C is what? School certificate.
Exhibit B,
2C is school certificate.
Dated.
Please note it.
Not it.
Note it.
Not proved.
not proved, my lord.
So you are only with
Nine.
the registration certificate, sale date and the voters list.
So sale date, kindly elaborate on the sale list. Page.
Page, my lord. Page, my lord, 19, my lord, annex 2, my lord.
Sale date, dated.
Dated, my lord, 28 July 20, July 1970, my lord.
Sale date of whom?
Sale deed executed in favor of Horendra Vishwas. He was the purchaser, my lord. Purchaser of the particular land, my lord.
So how will this connect you?
My lord, this Horendra Vishwas is my father, my lord.
How does it connect? This document will not connect.
Total list, my lord. 2016, my lord.
And this sale deed is also after post 71. Post 20, that particular date, 21/3. It is 27/71.
70.
No, my lord, 70.
70, 27/70.
Yes, my lord, 70.
70.
So my humble
So you want
submission
to
is
show a
that
document which is prior to the cutoff date pertaining to your
this is a base document.
of one individual whom you claim to be your father.
Father, my lord. And my linkage document in this case would be, my lord, exhibit F voter list 2016, my lord. Since, my lord, other two documents he has not proved, my lord.
You have any voters list of your father?
In this case, my lord, no, he has not exhibited, my lord.
What do you say, Mr. Pai? Let's complete it.
My lord,
Anything else?
My lord, this is only my humble submission is that, my lord, this is 30 years old document that can be admissible in evidence, my lord. And the presumption under section 19 is there, my lord. So in this regard, I would like to, my lord,
Section
Reliance-
19, right?
section 90 of the evidence.
90.
90.
90.
Evidence Act.
Mm.
And my lord, the other opinion, my lord, passed against this brother, my lord, declaring the brother to be an Indian, my lord. They were, my lord, declared non-est in law by this opinion, my lord. He cannot interfere, my lord. Those opinion, my lord, passed by some other
No,
tribunal.
those were not.
So under section 90, the presumption will be there and it
Yes.
may not be traced out from the government records. Even if it is not traced out,
No, ma'am.
it can still be presumed
Yes, my lord.
that those
Presumed to be
documents are
genuine,
genuine.
yes, ma'am.
Anything else?
And my lord, so far this brother declared Indian, my lord. in this connection, my lord, I would like to rely one judgment, my lord. WPC number 3128 oblique 2017, my lord, disposed of on 23/03/2021.
Name
Name Maharuddin Ali,
M.
MAHARUDDIN Ali versus Union of India.
Paragraph.
Para 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, and 18, my lord. And my lord, there is another judgment, my lord.
Petition number delay.
So, my lord,
What is the proposition?
proposition, my lord, here said that, my lord, since other brothers were declared Indian, in one family there cannot be two conflicting, my lord, opinion. Two brothers, my lord, were
No,
declared.
that might go against you. If one brother is declared a foreigner, everyone will be a foreigner.
No. In the
Another
other two
Jew will-
brothers were
ano-
declared
ano-
Indian, my
ano-
lord.
No, not in your case.
Yes,
In a given case, if we follow this law, we are, in fact, you are taking advantage, you're not taking advantage, you will be given advantage in this case itself. So far as wife and two children are concerned, in absence of an opinion, you cannot pass only because they are family members. So the vice versa is also correct. Or somebody may be made declared an Indian, that will automatically not be the sole factor to declare others also Indian.
Yes,
It has to be decided on its own merits.
yes, my lord. So far, my lord, the 30 years old document is concerned, my lord. I would like to rely free judgment, my lord.
So how do you finish it? This bench is rising, Mr. Tomorrow. Let us not do too much of a haste. Tomorrow we'll continue with this. No? You place the judgment tomorrow, and we'll hear, and we'll try to complete one more. That's
Radhesam.
Addison. Okay, heard in part. List. Again. List for further consideration tomorrow. Where is the one? Single bench, আছে, no? Second half single bench. Yes, what development?
Lordship, the matter has been slated on 3rd of July.
Not, there is 14th or something, 14th was the date.
On the 14th, the board was discharged. Unfortunately, the concerned officer was not sitting in court, my
Okay.
lords. However, the directions are to file the written submissions and it will be taken up for final hearing on the 3rd of July.
Okay. This court, on the last occasion, that is 21/4/2026, after recording the submissions, including the aspect that an application was pending before the learned DRT. DRT or DRT?
Not your lordship, recovery officer, DRT, Calcutta.
Pending in that, before the recovery officer, DRT Kolkata, which was scheduled, which was fixed on 14/5/2026, had directed listing of this matter. I had adjourned the matter to be listed after the said date, full stop para. Both Sri Khanna, learned counsel for the respondent who is the applicant, and Sri Sharma, learned counsel for the company petitioner, has informed that on 14/5/2026, the matter could not be taken up.
My lords.
Full stop. However, the next date has been fixed on 5th of July, 3rd of July 2026 for final disposal. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, the matter is adjourned to be listed on 17th of July.
My lords, there is one more aspect. Now, also what has happened is, I had mentioned before your lordships that this is a matter connected before the Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court, my lords. there was certain lot number 3, lot number 4, which was pending auction, my lords, which has now been sold. There is a positive bid which has come through, my lords.
Okay.
So the proceeds will be now apportioned towards them as well in a certain percentage. The only request I have,
You take the instructions, what would be the amount?
my lords, date may be accommodated so that these instructions can be given to
No,
them.
we have given 17th. If you think,
My lords, last week of July will be a little bit more viable, my lords. We'll have proper instructions before your lordships.
when is the date fixed? No, let it be on 17th. If needed, we'll.
Very well.
Yes, yes.
Very well. Obliged.
Sri Khanna, Taragota, the learned council has also informed that pursuant to the winding up proceedings before the Madhya Pradesh High Court, there are certain developments, including selling of 2 lots.
2 lots.
2 lots. Full stop. Sri Sharma, the learned counsel for the company, would also obtain necessary instructions on the outcome of the aforesaid sale.
The apportionment of the.
Outcome of the auction as well as the apportionment.
Grateful.
अभी बता